Okay, we're getting towards the end of the paper now. I think that's the last page now. Here we go. Chen is cooking some pasta. It's one of our favorites. Yeah. The recipe says you need 350 grams of pasta for 4 people. Let's write that down. 350 grams is needed for recipe for how many people? Now he needs to make the pasta for
5 people.
4 people now. Okay, Mr. Kamal, how do we get from 4 people to 12 people? What do we do? We 4 people to 12 people, we multiply by? Okay, you mean 3. Because it sounds like a tree. Okay, times by 3. So if you multiply the right hand side by 3, you have to multiply the left hand side by 3. So 350 grams times by 3 will give us
1,050 grams.
1,050 grams. Well done.
That means 1.
So 1.
Point.
Okay, hang on a second. Because it's grams, we're going to change it back into kilograms divided by 1,000. So the final answer will be
It'll be
1.05. You can't put extra 0 in there, that won't make any difference to the answer. But 1.05 kilogram is the simplified answer to that. Okay. 1 point?
1050.
1050. You put the point in there.
No.
If you didn't put the point in there, it's wrong. You get 1 mark for the grams being correct. Okay, yeah, as for kilograms, you give your answer in grams. Okay, next, number 21. Chen is thinking of 3 numbers. He says the range is 5, the mode is 2. What does the mode mean? That the mode is the most common value. So, for example, if we have a 2, we can have at least another 2. We can't have a third 2. Because out of the 3 numbers, 2 has to occur the most often. Now, how do you get a range of 5? So, the range is equal to... Hang on a second. Okay. So the range is a large number minus the small number is equal to 5. So if the smallest number was 2, something take away 2 is 5. What is it?
7.
So 7 could be the biggest number there, and that will give you a correct possible answer for that. Okay, or we could have another possible answer for those of you smarty pants. So 2 and a 2 and a minus 3. Because 2 minus 3 will also give you 5. So that's another possible answer for those of you who are feeling a bit smart. Okay, next. N stands for a whole number. Okay, 2n is greater than 30 and 5n is less than 100. Now let's have a look at the values that n could be. Here we go. 5n. Whoops. Oh, don't want the last one. So please bear with me for a moment. Okay. We have here 5n is less than 100. Okay, that's fine. What would happen if n was 20? What would happen if n was 20? 5 times by 20 is? 100. So could we have n as 20?
No.
Because it's got to be less than 100. It's got to be less than 100. So 5 times by 20 would, because the 5 times by number to give us close to 100. 5 times by 20 would give us exactly 100. You can't have 100. It must be less than 100. So let's have a look at the numbers. So 20, we can't use it. Can we use 19?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so 5 times by 19. What's 5 times by 19? 5 times by 19 will give us?
1,095.
Okay, well done. Okay. Now, what about 18? Can we use 18 in there? If you put 18 in there, will that give you an answer that's 100?
Yeah.
Yes. What about 17?
Yes. Yeah.
And 16?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now, here comes the... now, 15. Before we say yes, let's think.
No.
5 times by 15 is less than 100. But he says here that 2n is greater than 30. When you double it, it's more than 30. When you double 19, you get more than 30. And it's less than 100. If you times by 5. 2 times by 18 is more than 30. And it is 5 times by 8 is less than 100. What about 2 times by 17? 34. 2 times by 16 is 32. And 2 times by 15 is?
30.
So it can't be that one because it must be, it says, greater than 30.
Not 30.
Okay, so we can only, the number that we can have here in this answer is 19, 18, 17 and 16. And is that the last question? Yeah?
Sir, the overall.
Okay, is that the last question? Finished? Yeah?
Yes, sir,
Happy with that?
okay.
Okay, that's lovely. Good.